In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and create templates in Gmail using Google Workspace for Business. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to streamline their email communication and save time on repetitive tasks. Let's dive into the process and make your Gmail experience even more efficient and productive. First, let's get started by heading over to google.com. Once there, you'll want to look towards the top right hand corner of the page. Here you'll find the sign in button. Click on this to proceed. Entering your credentials is the next step. Click on your account and carefully type in your password. Once you've done that, click on next to access your Google account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to open Gmail. Again, in the top right corner, locate the Google Apps menu, which is represented by a grid icon. Click on this icon to bring up a list of available Google services. From these options, select Gmail to launch your email account. Once you're inside Gmail, take a look towards the top right hand corner. Here you'll find the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol. Clicking on this will provide you with the option to see all settings. Click on this link to access the full settings menu. Within the Gmail settings, direct your attention to the Advanced tab. By clicking on this tab, you'll reveal a variety of features and options that can enhance your Gmail experience. It's here that you'll find the templates option. Make sure to enable this feature to allow the creation and usage of email templates within your Gmail account. With the templates feature enabled, it's time to compose a new email. Click on the Compose button, usually located on the left-hand side of your Gmail interface, to open a new email window. As you draft your email, think about the key elements or messages you will frequently reuse. When you have a draft ready that you'd like to save as a template, take a look at the bottom right corner of the email window where you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots to access additional options. From the list that appears, choose the option to save draft as template. This action will allow you to quickly and easily access this email format whenever you need it in the future. And there you have it. You've just enabled and created a template in your Gmail account using Google Workspace. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step in optimizing your email workflow, freeing up more time for other critical tasks. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this feature as useful as I do. Happy emailing.